Hello all. Let's perform a yoga sequence to release stress. The nature sounds present in this video and also an ancient, powerful healing prayer at the end of this video will help you in your healing process. This is Ranjani and let's begin with the Anjali Mudra. Breathing is the key for relaxation. With your hands in Anjali Mudra, take deep inhalation and exhalation for a few minutes. I'm starting the sequence with few rounds and variations of Tadasana. Every time, breathe deeply, inhale and exhale. Interlocking the fingers and performing Tadasana side stretches. Keep your mind clear, relax and present in this moment. Listen to the sounds and absorb them within your body. This is another variation of side stretches in Tadasana. Enjoy your practice. Enjoy your breathing. Now let's move on to the triangle pose. Concentrating on each and every muscle of our body. Let's move on to the posture and hold it gently. Listen to your body and mind. Do what feels right to your body without hurting it, without physically straining it. Enjoy your yogic practice. Focus your mind only on your body. Relax. Let's move on to Warrior 1 and 2 sequence. I'm repeating all the poses in both the sides. These gentle hip opening and heart opening postures provides us the instant stress relief that we all crave for. Once again, perform the side stretches before we move on to the next posture. Slightly arch your back and stretch the back muscles for preparing our body for the forward bending. Don't forget to exhale when you forward bend. Breathing is the key in performing the asanas. Once more, stretching the back for a wide-legged forward bending. Feel the yoga as a flow, a dance, a rhythm of life. A gentle chair pose to bring focus in the mind and strengthen our core. Now performing the tree pose. These balancing poses provides us the focus and mental clarity that we need to release the stress and also to deal with anxiety. Look within, breathe, and repeat on the other side. Moving on to the goddess pose, the posture of power. All these poses strengthen your root chakra. Just notice I'm doing all the poses in connection with the ground, barefooted. This provides the connection with the Mother Earth and provides us a strong root chakra and the power to release our stress and fear from the mind. Finally, give yourself a beautiful hug. Every human being deserves a hug to relieve from their emotional pain and trauma. Give yourself the love that all that is needed. Bring a smile on your face, connect with the nature, and keep your palms on your heart. And take deep inhalations and exhalations, opening up your heart chakra. Listen to the sound of your body, getting in tune with the nature. Finally, once again, keep your hands in Anjali Mudra and say the OPONO PONO Prayer, the magical words. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Simply repeating these words can trigger the release of blockages, negative memories, and traumas so that you can take more control over your own body and life. Just remember, you are saying this prayer to your own self, to your own physical body, and to your own emotional mind. If something troubles you, if something sends prickles up your spine, if you want to turn around and go away, if you feel betrayed or hurt and you can't get off it, here is the method for healing. Focus on the person or problem and somewhat like a mantra, say these words to yourself. It is based on being responsible for everything. It is a simple but powerful method to heal. Stay blessed. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do consider subscribing to this channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification when we post a video. Thank you so much for watching this video.